what is up? It's Arushi. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the vlog. आज का vlog is very exciting because today I'm going to be following Komal Pandey's diet plan for 24 hours, essentially recreating her what I eat in a day video. So last time I recreated Sara Ali Khan's what I eat in a day. Basically I followed her diet plan and you guys really enjoyed that video. Now this time I wanted to do some YouTubers what I eat in a day क्योंकि उनके detailed videos YouTube पे available होते हैं, so it's much easier to follow them. So who better than Komal Pandey, because I've been loving her content lately on Instagram. I love the aesthetic and the thought she puts behind every video, and so I thought कि चलो उनका ही what I eat in a day video recreate करते हैं. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this video and have fun watching it and also find it a little aesthetically pleasing. Let me know your thoughts, and yeah, without any further ado, let's now quickly get started. Alright guys, so it's finally breakfast time. I'm extremely famished and I'm very hungry right now. So this is what Komal Pandey eats for breakfast.
This is what my breakfast looks like right now. That's chila. ये बेसन का chila है. And these are some fruits. I'm a big fan of grapes. That's some warm water. And that's the almond milk tea.
Guys, so here's my breakfast. It looks really nice. Plus I've tried to plate it the way she did on a wooden tray. So what I have for breakfast is one chila. इसमें मैंने वो सब डाला है which she mentioned in her video. साथ में I have some red grapes. मैंने specially कल मंगवाए थे अपने vegetable vendor से. They sadly didn't have plums, so I had to make do with red grapes. Along with that, I have a cup of warm water and some soy coffee. So she said that she has almond milk with tea and soy milk with coffee. So I am not a tea drinker, I'm a coffee person. So I just went ahead and put some Sofit soya milk in my coffee and I'm having an iced coffee. So my breakfast sounds really nice. I love how this platter looks. I love nice breakfasts. And plus I really like कि इनका breakfast is filling, it's nice, it's nutritional. Breakfast is a very important part of your meal, so kudos for that. The only thing I'm not quite sure about is pairing the coffee which has milk in it with citrus, which is grapes. ये थोड़ा सा unsure है, but yeah, otherwise the breakfast looks really yummy and I can't wait to dig in. So I'm done with breakfast. You guys can see I have a tummy roll. Abhi I'm done with breakfast. I'm quickly gonna go and pamper my skin because it really needs it. मैं अंदर से तो clean खा रही हूँ, बाहर से भी I need to pamper my skin. So I'm actually gonna take you guys along with me and together we're gonna pamper my skin and yeah. So after breakfast, Komal went ahead and started filming. अब मेरे पास आज कुछ film करने के लिए है नहीं. I'm just filming the video you guys are seeing. So I thought why not indulge in some self-care and some skincare. तो बहुत टाइम हो गया that I have not been to a salon. I have just not pampered my skin. I have not been in the best space lately. So I've not exfoliated for a while and this is my bare skin. Even though I don't have acne, I do have like uneven skin texture and it's a little So today I'm actually going to be trying this kit, this facial kit by Pond's. It's the Pond's Charcoal Anti-Pollution Facial Kit. अगर आपने मेरा last skincare video देखा था, you know कि I love this face wash so much so कि खत्म भी हो चुका है. So this is basically the same range पर उसका facial kit. So this one retails for 300 rupees and this has 6 things in it, which I think is very affordable. And of course you can get it on sale. अभी बहुत सारे sales आएंगे, so I'm sure you can get it on sale as well. Okay, so let me show you what the facial kit looks from inside. तो उसमें 6 tubes आती हैं individually. With all the 6 steps. So the best part is all of these are numbered, so you can see कि step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6. And the next good part is कि all of these come in tubes. Now this is a nice generous amount of product. मुझे पता है कि एक बार में खत्म नहीं होगा, so I'll probably apply this once and like twice, thrice, I don't know. So the good thing is कि sachets में नहीं आता और tubes में आता है. I'm also going to be flashing the application of all these products on the screen so you guys can see the texture and how it applies. So let me also take you through all the products. So the step 1 is the Pond's Anti-Pollution Face Wash. The step 2 is the scrub. The step 3 is the nourishing cream. This is to basically like after you're done exfoliating to like moisturize. The step 4 is a massage cream. It's a deep massage cream just like how they do in the salons. It's really nice. Step 5 is an anti-pollution charcoal peel-off mask. And the step 6, which is the last step, is a finishing cream. So you can finish your facial and have really hydrated and glowing skin. Alright you guys, so I'm finally done with the 6-step facial and वैसे मेरी skin काफी अच्छी feel कर रही है. So because of the scrub, my nose is not very bumpy at all. Actually काफी soft है. So all in all, this was a really nice facial to do at home. मैंने कभी 6-step facial किया नहीं है, so काफी interesting process था ये. And it's a very nice fun activity that you can do with your family or with your best friend at home on the weekends. So I really liked it. Now that I'm done with pampering my skin and my skin's feeling nice, let's go and quickly see what Komal Pandey has for her lunch.
So I'm having brown rice. I'm a big time sucker of rice, but too bad I can't have it on a daily basis. Then we have dal. I love yellow dal, and we have beans. That's it.
So let me take you to the kitchen and show you what I'm having. Okay, so mama made me my lunch. So let me show you what I have. I have my bowl क्योंकि वो bowl में rice डाल देती है, फिर सब्जी और दाल उसमें mix कर लेती हैं. So first, here's my brown rice. Ouch! Here's my brown rice. I'm gonna have 2 spoons of it because she had 2 spoons of it. Then my mama made some beans because in her video she was having beans and she loves beans and so do I. So I usually have aloo beans, but because I didn't see any aloo in her beans, I asked mama to specifically not put any aloo. So this is all like kanda and like tomato and stuff. And over here I have some dal. Okay guys, so here I have my lunch. Over here a bowl full of dal, sabzi and राइस. इससे मुझे फ्लाइंग बीस्ट में रसबरी याद आई. दाल सब्जी अचार जो भी बोलती है वो फन. Anyway, so this is what she has for her lunch. So the only difference with what she had in her video and what I'm having is the dal. She had yellow dal, but mama ने already मसूर दाल बना दिया था. So I didn't want her to make yellow dal all over again. So I'm having beans without the aloo, brown rice and masoor dal. So that's good. Yeah, like overall I think her lunch is pretty nice. It's filling, it's healthy, it's a complete meal. I think it's fine. बस अगर मैं खा रही होती तो मेरे डाइट प्लान में usually salad साथ में होता है. But this also works really fine for me. So big thumbs up from my side to her lunch and I'm pretty excited to have it. So yeah, let's begin. I love beans. Alright you guys, so it's quite late in the evening, which means it is snack time. So my snacking habits are actually quite like opposite of what Komal Pandey's habits are. Of course she eats healthy.
Now we'll have nachni chips in a bowl and we will have some tea. We have some really good green tea in different flavors, different variants. We'll have that.
This is what I have for snacks today. So she had grapes, like a whole bowl of fruit. तो मैंने सुबह वाले red grapes ही उठा लिए. She also has ragi chips. So I specially ordered these ragi chips for the video. And they're quite nice. The only thing is that I prefer like banana chips or soya chips over these because ragi chips do have sort of like an aftertaste. So I like them, but like not as much. And then of course she had some really fancy ass tea, but I didn't have the time or energy to buy it and मैं शायद वो नहीं ही पीती तो मैं अपना green tea पी रही हूँ Lipton वाला with honey and lemon. So yeah, this is my snack for the day and I'm quickly gonna go and start digging into this.
Dinner में बहुत ही light लेती हूँ. So I ordered grilled chicken salad from this place called Salad Company in Gurgaon. I love their salads.
Okay, so now for the last meal of the day, she eats salad. Okay, I like it. She's keeping it light, that's good. I also, when I was on a diet, was eating sauteed vegetables. So like a cold salad seems like a nice idea. Now she ordered some grilled chicken salad from Salad & Co from Gurgaon. अब मैं गुड़गांव में तो हूँ नहीं, and because of the virus, I'm not really ordering things that cannot be easily sanitized or like things that cannot be heated and stuff. So I was not ready to order the salad, so I made some for myself. And also because I'm a vegetarian, I made some grilled paneer salad, and guys, it is yummy. So thanks to Komal, I discovered a new grilled paneer salad recipe, and my parents also really liked it and they think I should do this more often. Like, yeah, they want me to do this more often. So big thumbs up to it. It's actually really tasty. Like it was a little lengthy. मतलब ये बनाने में काफी time लग गया मुझे. But it is. Let me show you. Yummy. So my dinner is done. As you guys can see, the bowl is empty, and this is the living proof that I genuinely enjoyed it. So with this, we come to an end of everything Komal Pandey eats in a day. Last time I copied what Sara Ali Khan eats. This time I thought, चलो Komal Pandey someone from YouTube ऐसे करते हैं. So let me know अगर आपको कोई और चाहिए for my next video. I will make sure to do it. So comments में लिख देना. So now let's do like a review, like sort of like a how do I feel about it. So I have four thoughts. दो अच्छे हैं और दो बुरे हैं. So I'll talk like not बुरे but like whatever. So the first two things that I genuinely liked is one, it's really clean food. I genuinely think that everyone focuses so much on skincare. Taking care of your body अंदर से is very important. When I eat junk food versus when I eat clean, my skin, you can see the difference from my skin, okay? And her food is so clean, her eating habits are so nice, and I can see that on her skin. So I love that. The second thing I really love about her diet is that her dinner is extremely light. It's great to have really light dinner, even when I was trying to lose weight. That's what I used to do. No heavy dinners, no midnight snacking, and that's really commendable, good habit. The two things that I did not like about her thing, the first thing I'm confused about is like having fruit साथ में अपने breakfast के. Rita auntie who gives me my diet plans says कि like when I take her diet, मेरा fruit breakfast के 1-2 घंटे बाद होता है. So I'm not sure if like it is for a reason, but I was not sure like grapes दूध के साथ खाने चाहिए या नहीं. So I'm confused about that. And the other thing that I'm a little about is कि for a normal person who lives alone, like for a college student or someone who's on a budget, this can be a little pricey. मतलब थोड़ा सा extra और थोड़ा सा pricey हो सकता है. But I also think कि diets are very customizable. जैसे मैंने grilled chicken की जगह grilled पनीर खाया, आप रागी चिप्स की जगह मखाने खा सकते हो, घर पे जो भी snacks है वो खा सकते हो, भेल खा सकते हो. So diets are customizable, but if you want to eat only what Komal Pandey eats, it can be a little expensive to sustain yourself. So those were my thoughts on her diet plan. Otherwise, I genuinely enjoyed doing the video. Today's day was honestly a blessing because I pampered myself from the inside and the outside. I had really good food. I rediscovered my love for soy milk and coffee and discovered this really nice salad recipe. Iska link by the way मैं description box में डाल दूँगी. And I also pampered my skin. Of course, like taking care of your body also means that you need to take care of your skin externally. So I had a lot of fun just pampering my skin with the facial kit that I used. If you guys want, the link will be down below of the facial kit as well. आप जाके उसे भी check out कर सकते हैं. And yeah, with that we come to an end of this video. I hope कि आपको ये video अच्छा लगा होगा. अगर आपको चाहिए that I do a what I ate on a day to lose 10 kgs, let me know in the comments below. Or if you guys have anyone whose diet plan you would like me to follow, let me know that as well. So make sure you go ahead and leave a like, leave a comment, go subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to know